Hey guys, Rush here with a new video. Today I have a small tutorial in showcasing. It is on my selector. I'm pretty sure I'm the first one to come up with this design, but if I am not, then please correct me and I'll make the according changes. So this is my selector. It's very simple. How a selector works is you push a button and then the output will switch to whatever button you push. So this is my compact and pretty small design. It's only it's pretty nice. And so as you can see, the output change there, it's actually not that slow. It is the server lag. Yeah, but you can see. The only problem though is if I were to push these buttons really fast like that, sometimes both of them will go down. Let me see if I can give you guys an example. Well, it's not that frequent, but here, if I can get you a good example. I pushed those down really fast, and then both of these pistons came down. But as you just saw, it's kind of difficult to do if you're using it. You have to wait for this bottom line to reset down here before you can push the button again. So I can't. So that will go off. Then right when it resets, I'm able to push a new button, and then so on. So this is how you build it. First, let me pillar up. Okay, you want to start with how many buttons you need. I'm going to use 3, and because this is modular, then you can also have this 2 wide, 3 wide, 4 wide, whatever you want the spacing to be between. So then put 2 blocks down on bottom here with redstone wire, extend it out 1 more with another block. I use yellow wool to indicate something, to make something stand out, to show more importance. 3 blocks there with a repeater on 1 and then 2 redstone on the side, and then you just keep on this kind of pattern going as you make it. Then place 3 blocks here, and then on right here you want to place pistons. That more wool right there. Have it come down about 3 times, and then extend out. Redstone torches on all of these, and then right here you have your outputs with repeaters here. And then if you want, you can also do the redstone right there for more faster input. So then next, just add wool or a solid object on bottom there, and then now we need to make a monostable circuit, or also known as a pulse limiter. This is what's going to update the pistons because this design is based on block update detectors. So then torch right here, bring this down here. You're gonna have to have redstone along this whole entire line here, and then right here, and then you just need a repeater in the middle here that's set to 3 ticks, and then loop this around, and now you've built your selector. So now if I click this, then this piston should go down, as you can see right there. Like I said, it's not this slow. It's server lag on the Redstone Development Foundation. Then right when I do that, I can select this, another button. That's why it's called a selector. This will reset, and this will give output. And what's nice about this is when you don't have repeaters, where there is you have your outputs, it's an instant reset. Or actually, it's not instant, it's a 3-tick reset, I believe. This is your update line because this is based on block updates. If I were to update that block, then it would retract back in. So if you were to add a clock to this, like a mini clock to this with a reset line, then you could set it up so when you push the button, you will not be able to click any of the other buttons again until you reset it. So as a quick example, if I put a torch right here, like I said, and I cannot click any of these buttons because this line is on. So you could do something fancy like that for other things. So thanks for watching. If you'd like more video showcasings and tutorials, then be sure to check out my channel and to subscribe. I'll see you guys later.